Take a ride in the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, OnStar, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.